So I'm going to show you how to edit the galleries on the gallery page. If I go into one of them, 2018 photos, you can see I've already uploaded a few photos here. When you click on them, they come up in the light box. So what I'm going to do is go into my back end and I scroll down here to Photo Gallery and Add Galleries Images. And then these are my 3 galleries that I've made so far. I'm going to click on the 2018 photos. And as you can see, those are the uploads. So what I've been doing to migrate the content from your Joomla site to this site is go into Joomla site and go into the galleries there. And I've downloaded these for the next one is this, so I click on it, I right click, save image as, and I have an images folder, gallery folder, and then it makes the process a little easier if I just rename it. And once I have it, I go back here, and up here we have a couple different options for adding images. There's add images, import from media library, embed media, social bulk embed. So I'm using import from media library. Go upload files, select files. I go into my gallery where I just saved that image and locate it and open it and insert it. See what makes it easier to rename it before it's imported? The title of the file, the image file, is going to be put into the title of the image, so if that data shows up on the website, it's not just gobbledygook. It makes a little bit of sense. What you're going to want to do is click Update, and then when I go here, if I refresh the page, now I've got another image. So that's the way you're going to want to migrate all the rest of these images and the images from the next galleries into WordPress.